Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create gold in Infinity Craft. First, grab water to create a lake. Now, with nether water, create ocean. And with nether water, fish. Now, combine nether water with a fish bowl. Fire it, a golden fish. Now take earth and wind, dust. Combine with earth, you get a planet. Now, combine planet and planet, you get a star. Combine star and star, you get a galaxy. Now, combine with another star to create a universe. And combine with a goldfish with a god. That means that goldfish is a god. And you worship it. Oh hail goldfish god.